Okay, today we're going to be opening a Switch 2. This is something I've been wanting since it pretty much came out. I got the one that came with Mario Kart World and Nintendo Online Plus Expansion Pass. So, I'm going to open it. Hold on, microphone in the way. You're in the way. Oh, that just comes off, okay. It's surprisingly not that sticky. Use the scissors to get it out, though. Do kind of want to keep the box, or preserve it a bit at least. So I'm trying to keep as much print as I can on there. Alright, I'm pretty sure it opens this way. You ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? Oh yeah. So right here we have the screen. I'll take it out of the package when I'm done. But here's the screen part. Put that to the side. Here's the right Joy-Con. Again, we'll take it out of the package after you take everything out. Here's the left Joy-Con. It's surprisingly a lot bigger. It's a lot bigger than I thought. Oh, something else in here. How do I get in here? Okay, we got our Mario Kart World thing right here. I'll put that there. That's nothing. HDMI cord. The mouse adapter thingies, which right now I don't really know what I'm going to use them for, but probably will in the future. What was this? Oh. Here's my Nintendo Online thing. Pretty cool. Put that also there. Okay, this is the Joy-Con grip right here. I'm going to put it back in just for safe protection. Here's the power cord and the power bank. Surprisingly really big. Alright. And then the last thing here, I think, is this. Let's move the box so that we can open it. Here's the Switch 2 dock. It's really cool. Comes off really easy. I heard it. Oh, it's really easy to get back on. I heard it was difficult to get back on. Okay, let's open the Switch stuff. Let's take out the screen. There's the screen. Let's do left Joy-Con first. Oh wow, that's really firm. And there's a button on the back. Wow, that's really nice. Really nice in my hand. And the back button, sorry, the back button is really nice. Everything here is really nice. Okay, let's try this one. Didn't really get the left one in frame, I don't think so. There's the button here that ejects it. Everything here feels great. There's a little chat button right here that I'm pretty sure you have to pay for. So who knows? Alright, let's put the Joy-Con left on. Oh. Let's put Joy-Con right on. Wow. This is really big. Back here, there's the kickstand. And they just come off with this. The Joy-Cons just come off with this one button. Oh, it's a really firm button press. Okay. Let's put them on the Joy-Con grip. See how that's like. Okay. This is really weird to hold. I lost my thing for the original Switch a couple years ago. No idea what happened to it. This is really nice. And it all just stands up. Like this and like this. Yeah, let's try the mouse. Thingies, so let's grab them out right here. Oops. Alright, here's the other one. Let's remove all this plastic, it's in the way. Okay. Here we have this one for the right Joy-Con. Just slides on. Am I doing this the right way? Am I doing this the right way? I have no clue. Hope so. And then it'll work like this. You'd have it like this, and you'd use it as a mouse. This would be, I think, your right click, and this would be your left click, I'm assuming. And I think to just take it off, do you press this button? You just pull it off. I don't know. How do you take this off? Or you do that. Okay. You press the button, you press this button to take it off. Yeah, it just snaps off like that. Alright, I won't really share the power stuff. I guess I can show how large this bank is. Like, this is my hand. It's surprisingly big. I've never seen it this big. One this big, sorry. It's really big, and it's not one single cord like the Switch 1. It's the bank and the cord. I'm not going to undo it right now, because I don't think I need to, so I'm just going to put them back. So yeah, let's put them on. Forgot to... That's how you open that. That's a really... it's at least easy to get open, unlike the Switch OLED. It's really hard. There's a charging thing on the top. I'm really glad about this, because when I want to use my Switch kind of like this, pretty much, I can't, because the charging thing's at the bottom. But now that it's at the top, I'd be able to do that. So, that's really cool. Again, we have Mario Kart World download and Nintendo Online membership. So, yeah. That's about it. I didn't really show off the dock much, but here's the dock. The back is pretty clean. You can connect Ethernet to this, which should speed it up a bit. So, thank you everyone for watching. If you enjoyed what you saw, be sure to like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell to see more videos.